Well, hell. Hello, everybody. Boy Jonesy checking in. I'm on my 30-minute break here in White Pine, Tennessee, and I'm up to no good. Stopped at the Chrome Shack, and I bought me center panel light and mud flap hangers with the lights in them. Just doing a little bit of splurging, trying to pretty up this old Freightliner of mine. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do a video on the installation of them. I'm not really good with wiring, but a buddy of mine is, and he's got a Freightliner like mine, so he's gonna help me with the process. So I'm gonna try to do a video of how we do it, and I'm gonna keep on posting some more behind the wheel, rolling videos. I'm actually on my way to New Columbia, Pennsylvania, to deliver a load of magnesium picked up out of Fairmont, Georgia. Delivering that, and then picking up a 8-stop window load. Got to deliver down around Charlotte and down towards Anderson, South Carolina. But anyway, just figured check in a little bit and let y'all know that business is booming as usual. Well, y'all stay safe out there, and as always, keep your rubber down and your shiny side up. Later.